Math 12 students. I'd like to tell you a little bit more about the Shine Quiz grading. So here's the home page for our class. Scroll down to the Week 2 module button, and that will take you to the Week 2 module. And then this is the week that your first Shine Quiz will be due. So you can click on the assignment, and here's the assignment. And there's a lot of words here, so please take your time and read it carefully. So the due date's always right here at the top, and you'll be able to make corrections based on my feedback. And I need your submission to be a single scanned PDF, or I won't be able to grade it. So I need you to copy the problems on your paper, as well as putting all your work on the paper. So I want to see problem, solution, problem, solution, problem, solution. Please leave a lot of white space in your work. Don't smash it onto the paper with no margins and no space in between. It makes it really hard for me to be able to write comments for you. So the purpose of feedback is improvement, right? So I will be giving you feedback, and your job will be to make those improvements and resubmit your work, and then I regrade it. So I am pretty quick when I'm grading the first time because I know you have the opportunity to improve. So I don't spend a long time deciding, should this score be a 3 or a 4? So it might seem a little harsh at first, but it's not that. It's just quick. So you have a chance to improve everything and just get all those points back again. So I'm not really super careful about cutting points in half or dividing things that finely. So just so you know, if it feels like, wow, you took a lot of points off, try really hard not to think of it that way, because in my mind, I'm just giving you feedback, really. The number is inconsequential, so you can focus on the number if you want, but my main focus is the feedback comments so that you can make corrections to your work and turn it back in. So the idea of the Shine Quiz is it's more heavily weighted than the quick quizzes, and when through homework, I don't see your work at all. So I really want to see your work and be able to give you feedback on it, because it gets more important as you go farther in math to be able to clearly put your work on paper. So make sure the neatness is something you're proud of. Why not make everything you submit something you're proud of? And then I want you to focus on this learning outcome about logically presenting clear, complete, accurate, and sufficiently detailed solutions to communicate your reasoning. So if you prefer to work on a digital device, I am providing a docx format version of the quiz. There is not enough space to work the problems as it's laid out. It's just the problems. If you want to use this document before you print it out, please download it and add lots of extra space in between the problems so that you have enough room to put your work without smushing it. And then if you'd prefer to work on a digital device, that is totally fine. And often what's easiest then is to copy paste the problem into your digital document, show your work digitally with your stylus, and then copy paste the next problem into your work so that you have exactly as much space as you need for each problem. Make sure you're keeping everything organized, because it's always your choice after I've given you feedback to either rework the problem on your original paper, or you can start fresh on a clean piece of paper. I can always see your previous work. So suppose you only need to make a correction on number 5. You're welcome to just submit redone number 5, and I will bring all your scores forward for the other problems. So you don't have to redo the whole quiz. You can just redo the problems that need correcting on fresh paper, or you can erase on your original paper and rescan the whole thing and turn that in. So it's really up to you of what works the best for you. So my handwriting isn't great with the Apple Pencil on the iPad. So please assume if you can't read or can't understand what's written there, please assume that it's my lack of communication and not your lack of understanding. And give me a chance to clarify by asking a question. So I'm hoping for great results on this first Shine quiz. Please read all the instructions carefully. There's a reason I want you to copy the problems onto your paper. Often it helps you slow down and read the instructions more carefully and thoughtfully if you're writing them. So I do require that you do that. So please let me know if you have any questions at all. I want you to get the best scores possible on all your work, and I will happily give you feedback, take a resubmission, regrade it, give you feedback as many times as we need to go through that loop. It's up to you.